project that can be created using different techniques and materials, from intricate sculpture to the sturdy piece of furniture. Metalworking projects offer endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. Good morning and welcome back. Here we are back again with another amazing video. In our today's video, we are going to show you how to overcome your metal waste material, and how to reduce your carbon footprints. One of the most important aspects of metalworking is welding. Welding is the process of joining two or more pieces of welding together using heat and pressure. There are many different types of welding techniques, each with its own advantage and the disadvantages. Some of the most common welding techniques include MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding, or oxy-acetylene welding. MIG welding, the metal inter-gas welding, is popular welding techniques that use in a wire electrode and create a strong and durable bond between two pieces of the metal. This technique is commonly used in automotive and industrial applications, as well as in home workshop. TIG welding, the tungsten inert gas welding, is a more precise and intricate welding technique that is often used in aerospace and the medical industries. These techniques use a tungsten electrode to create an arc and melt the metal, which is then joined together using a filler rod. Stick welding is also known as a shield metal arc welding, is a versatile welding technique that can be used on a variety of material, including steel, aluminum, and cast iron. This technique is often used in construction, repair work, as well as in industrial application. Oxy-acetylene welding, also known as a gas welding, is a traditional welding technique that is used to combination of oxygen and the acetylene gas to create a flame that melts the metal. This technique is commonly used in jewelry making and other small-scale metalworking projects. Regardless of welding techniques used, the end result is always beautiful and functional piece of metalwork. Metalworking project can range from simple and functional to intricate or ornate. Some popular metalworking projects include furniture, sculpture, jewelry, and the decorative art pieces. One of the most exciting aspects of metalworking is the beauty that can be achieved through careful craftsmanship and attention to details. Metalworkings allow for endless possibilities in terms of texture, shapes, and colors. By combining different metal texture and finishes, metalworker can create truly unique and stunning pieces that are both functional and beautiful. Metalworking is an also rewarding hobby and a profession because it allows you to high degree and creativity and the innovation. Whether you are a professional metalworker or a hobbyist, there are always something new to learn and explore in the world of metalworking. Metalworking and welding are fascinating fields that offer endless opportunities or activities and creativity, innovation, and beauty.